Hi guys, so I was just going through my TikTok, through my monetized TikTok account, and honestly, I was shocked at what TikTok literally paid me for 2,400 views. 2,400 views. While I had a video of over 19,000 and I have another video of over 30 something thousand, I haven't even made up to this particular amount TikTok paid me. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sonia. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if this is the first time tuning in, I try my possible best to make you grow as well on this YouTube journey. Let's just go ahead. Let me do a screen record and show you guys exactly how much TikTok paid me for 2,400 views. I'll first of all show you where they paid me for 19,000, right? Then I'll show you for the one of 2,400, and then we'll get into every single thing. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.
Account, which is my international TikTok account, and let's go to the video. I have 19,000 views. Okay, so this is actually the video I did about Ghana, which is this particular video. I got 19.1k view, and let's check. There are more insights here to see how much I was able to make here. So let's wait for it to load. So right now it is downloading, and you can see I got 19,000 views. I got 1,727 likes. I get 62 comments. I got 55 people that shared, and I got 166 people that add to their words, that added it to their favorites. Right now, these are my viewers and how the analytics works. For my male and female, I got both male and female watching, and also I got others. Then these are the age range that actually watched: 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, and then 55 years. And these are the locations that actually watched, which is Ghana. I have others. I have United Arab Emirates. I have Nigerian, Italy, Saudi Arabia, Canada, Libya, Qatar, Germany, and also United Kingdom. Now, these are the people that watched. And if we go to my engagement, now this is how the engagement actually
Ghana
works.
president
I just need to pause this here. Okay, so this is how my engagement spiked from 20% to 60 and then to 80%. So the more you keep getting engagement, the more they keep pushing it. Okay, so and this video was just posted on the 17th of February. You guys can see it here. So for all of these,
president said.
or for all of these views, I'm not going to call it suffering, right? For all of these views, I just made $0.11. $0.11. Mind you, this is the watch hour I got, and this is the average viewer duration, which is 28.1, right? And this is the total play of 117 hours, 42 minutes, and 13 seconds for a 19,000 video view, right? Now let's go to the video I got 2,000.
That
Now this is the video I got 2,000 views. Where's the video here? This particular video here I did about Somalia in Minnesota wants reparation from Black Americans before leaving. So this particular
breaking news, guys.
and with this particular video I got 2,400 views, as you guys can see. And if you check here, let's click on the more insights. So I just want to show you guys the clear thing. Now for the more insight, you can see that I have gotten video view of 2,423, a total play of 23 hours, 17 minutes, and 14 seconds. Then I have an average watch hour of 35.9. Then I have watch full video of 3.05%. I got 14 followers from this, and then I got 0.18 cents. Remember, a video of 19,000 views, I got 0.11 cents. Now, a video of 2,400 views, I got 0.18 cents. Now, just imagine that this video blows up more, or this video go up like 10,000 views. You know that I'm going to be making more money compared to the video. Now, the shocking thing that I want a lot of you guys to know is you can see that for the likes, I got 92 likes. I got 0 comments. I got just 1 share, and just 9 people added it to their favorite, right? Now, if you go down to the is it viewers? Okay, you can see that I have my male female as well, and these are the age category, the same thing, and these are the countries. But now there is a twist when it comes to this country. When Nigeria is number one, others follow. We have South Africa as number two, we have Ghana, we have United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, Canada, Kenya, United States, and then France. Now, these are the people that watch. Now, what really happened for me to get 19,000 views with 0.11 cents and then getting just 2,400 views for 0.18 cents? Now, what happened is this video of 2,423 view is a 3 minutes long video, while the video of 19 minutes is a video of 1 hour plus video. That's one. Secondly, the countries that are actually watching these 2,423 videos are top countries compared to the countries that watched that particular one that have 19,000 1K view. Now, thirdly, the watch hour captures more in this particular end compared to the ones that watched, which is people that watched in this particular 2,400 stayed longer compared to people that actually watched the other 19,000 um 19.1K video, blah blah blah. I also have
Ghanaians in
I also
Minnesota
have videos here of another video I did about Ghanaians, right? Of 37.1K view. This one I said Ghana president declare no more selling of cocoa to foreign countries.
Ghana.
For this video, you can see my like 2,982. You can see my comment 1,148. You can see 3,309 favorite as well. Now, if you go to the insights of this particular video, this video just barely made 0.42 cents. 0.42 cents. So this is me telling you that the same way that each platform wants engagement, each platform wants high country to watch the videos, each platform wants the average watch time and so on and so forth. That is the same way TikTok work as well. So do not give up on your account no matter how little you are getting. Like right now that I've not been able to upload very well frequently on my Vibe with Sonia account, you guys can see that now this one they use whole body, they drop small videos. And the good part is I now post these particular videos now down to my Facebook to just make things easy for me, down to even my Instagram. So I just use one stone to kill two birds. So if you're still looking forward to get international TikTok account, I advise you do. There is still something coming out of it. And yeah, I hope this video is able to help. So let's go back and wrap up with this video.
Anyways, welcome back, guys, and you've literally seen that TikTok paid me more with 2,400 views than a 19,000 video view. Now, what is this telling you? This is telling you that you should not give up. It is a sign that you should not give up. That's one. And secondly, this is a sign that every video as well perform differently on TikTok. And thirdly, I would still advise you, if you have all of that means, to get an international TikTok account and start getting something down to your account. It is very, very important. The good part is the video making is very simple, very easy. Just look out for what we actually work out on that your TikTok account, and trust me, you will not regret it. And if you are not putting effort on your YouTube account as well, you are wasting your time, because I can tell you for a whole fact that YouTube is the main game. Okay, YouTube is the main baller. You got what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I hope this is able to help. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you guys. Mwah.